Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Excel cheaply. Many people need Excel, but are unsure about the best way to acquire it without breaking the bank. We will explore several avenues, from completely free online tools to various paid options that offer excellent value. Understanding these choices will help you select the perfect solution for your specific needs and budget, ensuring you get the most out of your spreadsheet software. For those on a tight budget, free online versions are a fantastic starting point. Microsoft Excel for the web provides core functionalities directly in your browser, perfect for simple tasks. Google Sheets is another excellent, free, cloud-based option, offering strong collaboration features. Additionally, LibreOffice Calc is a powerful, free, open-source desktop application, providing a comprehensive suite of tools without any cost. These are great for basic data management. If you need more advanced features, a Microsoft 365 subscription is a popular choice. The personal plan, costing around $70 annually, gives you full desktop Excel. For families, the family plan supports up to 6 users for about $100 per year. Both include other Office applications, 1 terabyte of cloud storage per person, and continuous updates, ensuring you always have the latest features and security. For those who prefer a perpetual license, a one-time purchase is available. Office Home and Student, which includes Excel, typically costs around $150. This means you own the software outright without recurring fees. Furthermore, significant discounts are often available for students and educators. Nonprofit organizations and small businesses might also qualify for special pricing programs, making Excel more accessible and affordable for various users.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.